Hey there fellow creators, welcome back to Tutorologist, your one-stop shop for everything YouTube related. Today we have got great topic lined up for you, Creative Commons videos on YouTube. Can you use them for your own channel? Well, we are here to break it down for you and give you the answers you need. So let's jump right in. First off, what exactly are Creative Commons videos? Creative Commons is a licensing system that allows creators to share their work with others while still retaining their copyright. When a video is licensed under Creative Commons, it means that you're allowed to use it in your own projects as long as you're following certain guidelines. So can you use Creative Commons videos on your YouTube channel? The short answer is yes. But there are some rules you need to follow. Here are the key points to remember using Creative Commons videos. Number 1. Attribution. When using a Creative Commons video, you must give a proper credit to the original creator. This usually means including their name, a link to the original video, and a note stating that the video is licensed under Creative Commons. Make sure you check the specific licenses for any additional requirements. Number 2. Non-commercial use. Some Creative Commons licenses only allow for non-commercial use. This means that you cannot use a video in a project that's designed to make money, like monetizing your YouTube channel through ads. Be sure to check the license terms to see if there are any commercial use restrictions. Number 3. No derivative works. Some Creative Commons licenses do not allow you to create derivative works. This means that you can't modify or build upon the original video. If the license does not allow for the derivative works, you can only use the video as it is without making any changes. And the last, share alike. Lastly, some Creative Commons licenses have a share alike requirement. This means that if you use a Creative Commons video in your project, you must also license your new video under the same Creative Commons license as original. This allows others to use and build upon your work just as you did with the original video. And there you have it. Using Creative Commons videos on your YouTube channel is totally doable, but it is essential to follow the specific license requirements. So always be sure to check the details of the Creative Commons license before using a video in your project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on YouTube and content creation. If you have any questions or experiences with Creative Commons, feel free to leave a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, happy creating.